In this video, I will show you how you can activate GiffGaff eSIM. So first of all, if you have downloaded the GiffGaff application, you just need to head over to the account and then go for the SIM. Then tap on replace my SIM and then tap on switch to a new eSIM. Now this is for the people who want to switch from a physical SIM card to an eSIM. Otherwise, you just need to follow the on-screen instructions, and this might take at least few hours in order to activate your new eSIM. Then you can take out your physical SIM card, as you will not going to be using the physical SIM card anymore, as you have simply downloaded the eSIM profile on your device. So there is no need for a physical SIM card anymore. But you can also see that you can only switch to an eSIM between 4:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. So you need to keep these points in mind. And you can also search for this particular article by searching for how do I get an eSIM on GiffGaff, and then you just need to read all of these articles, and this is going to be very helpful for you to activate your eSIM.